You think you have an operational issue, you find out very quickly that you have a data problem.
First up, I want to introduce Mark Allen, LCRA, Little Colorado Electric. They are an important customer for Scopito here in the Lone Star state of Texas. How about that? We're tickled to have Mark here. He's going to tell his story, and I'm just going to hand it right over.
Thanks, Gail. My name's Mark Allen. Been with LCRA for right at 20 years now. I came to LCRA from a survey company where I was there for about 10. So I've been in the mapping industry for about 30 years now. And kind of the story I want to talk about is early on, this was back probably 2017. We were contacted by our maintenance group, said that, hey, every year we get this inspection from a helicopter provider where they go take pictures of this certain type of tower we had at the coast just to look for corrosion. They charged a whole bunch of money. They literally came back with a binder. It was just a binder with just 3-ring binder with photos in it to check that corrosion. So then we show up to the office and we're like, look at all this data we got. We got thousands and thousands of pictures. I can't believe how good we did. What now? Well, then it was like, where are they? Well, they're a big stack of pictures and JPEGs right here. Well, what does that tell us? We deliver this to our engineering group and they're like, what are we looking at? So it was just thousands and thousands and thousands of pictures that I had to go in, figure out what it was, check against time, type in, move on to the next one, type in, move on to the next one. That became tedious, really didn't do anything anybody. It's another one of those examples of the amount of data you can get using remote sensing techniques, but really it's the deliverables that are the important part. So real quickly, we met the Scopito guys, and one thing that we learned that just right off the bat, that almost instantaneously took us to that next level, is we were absolutely able to locate where all those pictures were. It wasn't just a whole stack of pictures. You could see exactly what we were talking about, what we were looking at. The ability to share them instantaneously, we just give them a link. They can get to the website and see exactly what they need to do. We're no longer running around thumb drives or hard drives. And then the ability to actually look at that data, not only for that initial flight, but then as years went on and years over, and we started to do more and more inspections at the same locations, that change over time. A massive game changer. You think you have an operational issue, you find out very quickly that you have a data problem.